Do you think you're the one controlling that thumb swiping across your screen? You're wrong. Every time your blood pressure spikes over outrageous fake news and you're battling it out in the comments section, you think you're defending the truth. But in the eyes of the platforms, you're nothing more than a bio battery discharging power for free. In 2025, 5.4 billion internet users worldwide are being bled like this for an average of 2 hours and 24 minutes every single day. This isn't a conspiracy theory. Top online behavior researchers have just cracked the underlying code of exactly 2.37 million posts across 7 major platforms. They uncovered the largest digital hijacking case in human history. Every single one of your moments of anger and every like has long been price tagged by a set of invisible black market exchange rates. Today, the detective is going to expose this perfect scam. Before we crack the case, let's do a quick common sense test. If you scroll past a positive video about a stray dog being rescued, what's your normal reaction? Usually, you feel a strong sense of empathy and casually hit the like button. This is the common sense we firmly believe in. Content triggers emotion, and emotion controls action. But when researchers tracked this viral topic across the internet, they stumbled upon a system bug that feels completely schizophrenic. Data monitoring showed that when these users opened Facebook, they displayed extreme empathy, frantically spamming likes. But when switching to TikTok, the exact same group of people mutated into expressionless cyber zombies. They only provided a cold view count and couldn't even be bothered to move a finger. Even more terrifying, when they opened X Twitter, they suddenly grabbed the megaphone and turned into insane retweet maniacs. Friends, think about it. It's terrifying. The exact same cute pet content, the exact same positive brainwaves. Just by changing the app, a living, breathing human behind the screen makes completely different physical reflexes. Unless all of humanity has multiple personalities, there is only one truth between your brain and your thumb, hides an extremely sinister conversion formula. It's secretly tampering with us. Since this invisible formula controls our fingers, how exactly does it work? To expose this dark reality, researchers developed a hardcore AI model called Dreams. After scanning millions of data points, it came to a deeply offensive conclusion: you are not communicating online at all, you are paying. From likes to comments, you are using your precious brain cells to pay varying levels of cognitive costs. But while tracking these transactions, the AI discovered an incredibly creepy physiological loophole. Our online memories are forcibly split in half by the system. The data provides ironclad proof: when you merely browse or like, you only activate a 24-hour fast memory. Like a goldfish, you forget it as soon as you scroll past. But the moment you type out a lengthy comment on your keyboard, the system instantly hijacks your brain, forcibly activating a slow memory that lasts for 7 whole days. Now, do you understand why fake news and trolls are always trying to start a war? Because likes are too cheap. They don't care at all whether you agree or not. They just need to infuriate you. As long as they trick you into leaving a single rebuttal in the comments, they've successfully hacked into your physiological system and legally locked down your brain capacity for an entire week to come. This is a perfectly legal hijacking targeted directly at your brain. Alright, since our brains have been hacked, do you remember the question from earlier? Why, when looking at the same stray dog, are you a zombie on TikTok, but a megaphone on Twitter? Take a deep breath, because these 7 major social platforms aren't communities at all. They are 7 cyber central banks issuing their own currencies. The Dreams model has just leaked the top secret black market exchange rates of these 7 central banks. Watch closely. On TikTok, the algorithm only wants your eyeballs. As long as you stare at it like a log browsing, the exchange rate maxes out at 1.54. On X Twitter, being a ruthless parrot is the most profitable. The retweet exchange rate crushes everything else, reaching as high as 1.58. And the most sinister of all is Facebook. It absolutely despises freeloaders. The browsing exchange rate drops to 0.78, but it offers a high price of 1.1. Frantically placing a bounty on you to tear each other apart in the comments section. This is the most spine-chilling truth in the paper. The rumor mongers are all top-tier Wall Street financiers. Fake news couldn't care less about the truth. It's playing a game of cross-market arbitrage. When researchers tested data on climate change, they found out rumor mongers are precisely peddling emotions. They package your anxiety in exchange for likes. Then they package your anger to harvest a 7-day-long comment war. Your joys, sorrows, and anger are nothing more than a stock that happens to be hitting its daily limit on their algorithmic trading sheet today. With our investigation reaching this point, it's time to reveal the most horrifying trump card. Next time you're about to slaughter everyone in the comments section, stop and look at your hands. This trump card is called precision fortune telling. After mastering the platform's black market exchange rates, the researcher's dreams model predicts whether you will like, retweet, or start cursing next, with an average absolute percentage error of only 19.25%, an error rate of less than 20%. What does this mean? It means your self-righteous true feelings, your supposedly unpredictable fit of rage, in the eyes of the algorithm, is merely an arithmetic problem with the answer already written out. It knows better than you do where you'll click in the very next second. So, finally, I just want to ask one question. If your joy, anger, sorrow, and happiness can be perfectly calculated by a set of formulas, are you, holding your phone right now, a human being with free will, or a bio battery kept in captivity by the platforms to provide free traffic? If you are confident you still have free will, try controlling your finger and give this video a like. But don't forget, this action of yours might also just be the exchange rate predetermined by the algorithm. See you next time.